Hey guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is Dust Destroyer Compressed Gas Duster. Yeah, now what this is, it's a compressed gas, which is kind of like a lot of gas slash, I guess, air or whatever in here, that when you push this, the gas comes out, which just blows all the dust off of whatever you're trying to get clean. Now, most of the time when I use this is when I'm repairing a computer, like on the inside. If I'm opening up my desktop computer and I open it up, and you will see around the fan, around the motherboard, and around the CPU and the memory sticks, you will see a lot of dust accumulating. And dust can do a job on your computer if you don't keep it clean. It can make it run slower. It can make it just break down sometimes too if it's not kept up right over time, And it makes your fans not work well too much either. I mean, you really have to, keep up on that. So what I do is I will open up the back of my computer, and everything is in there, and I will shake this up, and then I will spray this in there, and it will blow all the dust away, just like kind of like a mini air blower, like those things, ones you see on the street blowing the leaves, like a leaf blower, yeah, but a mini one, yeah. And I also use this for keyboards, like if you can get all kind of dust and grime in your keyboard from just sitting or just over time without use or whatever. Dust and grime can get in there. So, you just take this and spray it on there and blow all the dust away, and it works very well. Now, when the can starts to get low, you might as well try to go get another one, because the pressure won't be coming out very strong, and you'll kind of just be wasting your time trying to use it, because the pressure is not strong enough, anymore to do a sufficient job. Yeah, the dust, I know there's a lot of different kinds of gas dusters like these, but this one is very good. I've always used this one, and I've been doing this to my computer for about maybe 4 years almost, yeah, and it really, really does the job well. And because it's pretty powerful, it comes out pretty strong. You want it to come out really strong, really powerful, because if it doesn't, you might as well just blow in there with your mouth. It's just it's just ridiculous. It really needs to be strong. And also, most of the time they will have these with a straw right here, so you can get into certain areas and spray in precise areas. Yeah, but how I use this is I don't use the straw, because I kind of want it to blow in a lot of space, a lot of area. So with the straw there, it's kind of like tapered to one specific area. So yeah, so I use this, and it's really good. You can also use it for laptops and pretty much any kind of electronic equipment. You can use this to get all that grimy dust off and just everything. And it's good for your monitors too. Dust is everywhere, and it's just crazy how much it gets into your computer. It really accumulates like forever, and it's safe for the environment also. I mean, it's not destroying the ozone for all you environmentalists out there who fighting against aerosols. So yeah, this works really well. I've used it for a while, and it does the job. It cleans dust. I thought it was not necessary to actually do that. When I first saw someone doing that, I thought, why are you even doing that? But it really makes a difference to take that dust and everything out of your computers, of your fans and CPUs and all around, because it really makes a difference in the computer performance. And this is a good brand to use. I've used this one for a while and I'll continue to use it. It's really good. All right, well, that is the Dust Destroyer Compressed Gas Duster. All right, I will talk to you again soon. I hope you use this information. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.